Hello people of YouTube. Well, I just added some new fireworks to my collection and I'd like to show them to you. This is a UFO abduction girandola, and girandola looks like this. There's the 3 of them. So the other 2 right here. Never tried them before. They look pretty cool though. Nice video on YouTube of them. Then next, what else I got which is new? 3 Zenith turbo booster rockets. What these do is that explodes right there in the bottom, and then gets a lift charge and goes up, and then explodes to a nice explosion at the end. And then got some nice little Trident rockets here. Very nice indeed. Those are almost like an X-Cal. Then got some nice little sky blasters here. I've shown these before. And these guys, if you want to know something you can really do cool with them, is cut a hole in the lift charge in the bottom right here. Then drain all the black powder into a ping pong ball. And then what you can do is you can cut the top up right here. Cut that whole top off. Drain all the flash powder into it. There's a line and put all the stars in there. It's a huge explosion. And then just got a sky lantern here. So that's pretty much my stash right now. Comment, like, whatever. Ask me about all this stuff. I'll make some videos of everything.